So here we have the whiteboard and then the cork board, and I went with this model because I wanted some space on the whiteboard to write different things, to have room for it, and I just wanted the month. There is a little section over here to take some side notes, something obviously little, not big. You do get some instruction manual there for hanging everything on the back. Here is the tools, hardware that you get with it. These are some thumbtacks you're going to get. These are for the sheetrock. This is just going to be the anchor. Unless you're putting it into a stud, you will not need those. And then you will have the screws as well that go into the anchors to hold it on. These are the brackets. Let me show you. These are the brackets that will hold the, so you'll put these on the back of the board, and then you will put the screw into it like this, and it will sit on the bracket on top of it usually. And then you'll get some markers, an eraser, and then these little magnetic reminder or pin, so to say. Now this is fairly large size. I do have, like I said, a spot across the bottom, the whole bottom, with a cork board, which is something I was really looking forward. The tops of these marker caps has an eraser on them as well. And then the magnet is only on the cap itself and not on the marker as well. Here's how they write. So they write really good. And here's how they erase. Got to do it a couple times for the black usually. Let's try the blue. But the markers come out really good as far as if you're writing fast. And let's erase these. So you're gonna have to erase a couple times to get the color out. But look how the board looks after being erased, because sometimes the whiteboards they're not as good, and the quality after you erase them kind of like keeps a color tinge to it, or like a film, or like where you can kind of see it and it doesn't fully erase it. That is actually what happened on my old board. I ended up taking one of these off that were over here, and because where I had it hooking, I moved it and I put it here, and I just took the screws from this metal bracket that was in there and I moved this over, just because from the previous board I had up, that's where it aligned and that's where I needed it, and this was right in the way and I didn't want to drill again into my wall. So I did it like that, and I used the screws from that, and it was pretty simple and easy to do. So here it is, finished all up and looking nice.